Hi everybody, Chrissy Tove is here today and I'm going to make this card. I was actually inspired by another card from another person on our design team, Lynnea, and so I do have that linked in the blog post. So you can see I'm using a couple different foils, and here I'm just showing you my laminator. It is on hot on 5 mil in order to get the foil to adhere to my toner card fronts properly. So you just place the toner card front in some parchment paper, go ahead and put the foil on and run it through the laminator. So I use a few toner card fronts and then I'm using some peel and stick toner sheets. So those are really cool because they're just straight toner, and then in the back they're sticky. So you're kind of making like a toner sticker. So here I'm just showing, I ran everything through the laminator off camera because it's really boring just watching it go through. So I'm peeling everything off, and you can see that one is just straight foil, and I'm going to turn that into a die cut. And then the other ones were a couple different toner card fronts, which are pretty much my favorite thing ever because I can make cards crazy fast just by using those toner card fronts. So in Lynney's original card, she kind of layered a couple different she used the same toner card front just like I did, and she used a couple different colors and layered them. So I did something similar, but instead I decided to just use one image. She had a couple different images. I used one, and then I used the pink for the flower and cut that out and put that on top of there. So then it looks like it's two different kinds of foil or two different colors of foil being used in one image. So I thought that would kind of be fun as well. But I used the same thing that she did, where I had like the two circle dies together and the basic layout of the card. So now I am using my foam roll. This thing is fantastic. And you can see I just slapped a bunch of foam on there to assemble my card, or start my assembly of my card, I should say. So I am just going ahead. That is becoming my front card panel. And that's the Rainglow, the Brutus Monroe Rainglow foil. So much fun because not only is it a rainbow, it's like really shimmery and everything. It's kind of similar to like the cracked glass foil. So I just love how that looks. So then I decided I wanted some height to these other pieces, but not a ton. So really I just used my XL memory runner to put the white onto that black. I did not want to pop up that white circle, just the black circle. I'm just going to have this whole piece kind of standing up from the rest of the card. I didn't want too much dimension or height. Memory runner again to assemble this, and really it does look pretty seamless. It's kind of like trickery, right? It's like magic that I have two different foil colors on there and it looks like one image. Super fun. So I'm just going ahead and adhering that on there, and then like I said, you basically can make yourself foil stickers, which is super fun. So that's just a Catherine Pooler die that I use at the thanks, because I can always use more thank you cards. That seems like the one that I never have enough of. And then because the whole thing was sticky and I knew there would be pieces that would be sticky, I don't want anything to get stuck to them like hair or dog hair or anything like that. So I am just using that little tool. You can also use a chalk pouch and it will de-stick for you. And that's the final card. Here's a couple close-ups for you and the final card. So thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope you have a great day.